6. Surprising side hustles that make a ton of money. Imagine transforming your spare time into a torrent of cash flow. These unconventional ventures hold the power to reshape your financial landscape and ignite your entrepreneurial spirit. Let's dive in. Number 1. Creating user-generated content, UGC, for brands. Creating user-generated content, UGC, for brands is a side hustle where individuals generate brand-specific content on social media platforms to promote products or services. This marketing approach is highly beneficial for brands, but it can also be a lucrative opportunity for individuals looking to grow their personal finance. You create listings, known as gigs, specifying the type of UGC you can create. These could include unboxing videos, product reviews, content for platforms like TikTok and Instagram, and more. Brands looking to promote their products often browse platforms like Fiverr to find individuals who can create content for them. They might reach out to you based on your gig offerings. You negotiate with the brand regarding the product you'll review and the compensation you'll receive. Some brands might also let you keep the product you review. This side hustle is highly flexible. You can create content when it suits your schedule, making it suitable for those with full-time jobs or other commitments. While earnings can vary, some individuals make substantial income from UGC creation, potentially reaching thousands of dollars per month. Number 2. Assembling furniture, particularly IKEA furniture. Assembling furniture, especially IKEA furniture, is a lucrative side hustle that can work anywhere in the world. The first step is to source furniture, typically from stores like IKEA or other furniture retailers. IKEA is particularly popular due to its flat-pack design, making it easier for customers to transport, but more challenging to assemble. As a side hustler, you would offer a furniture assembly service. You can advertise your services through various platforms, including online classifieds, social media, or dedicated platforms like TaskRabbit. When potential clients need furniture assembled, they can contact you. Many people who purchase furniture are willing to pay for assembly services because they find it time-consuming or complex. When you receive a request, you visit the client's location and assemble the furniture. This can include anything from simple bookshelves and tables to more complex items like wardrobes and cabinets. You don't need to invest much in this side hustle. Basic tools are relatively affordable, and you can start small and scale up as you gain more clients. The demand for furniture assembly services is consistent, as many people prefer to pay for professional assembly to save time and ensure the furniture is put together correctly. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for this channel. Let's continue. Number 3. Selling acorns. Selling acorns is a unique and unexpected side hustle that involves harvesting and selling acorns, which are the nuts produced by oak trees. This unconventional business idea can work anywhere in the world where oak trees are present. Once you've gathered a significant amount of acorns, you can sell them online through platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or even at local markets and craft fairs. Many people are willing to purchase acorns for various purposes, such as home decor, craft projects, or feeding wildlife like deer or squirrels. The great thing about selling acorns is that it can be as small or large scale as you want it to be. If you have access to a large number of oak trees and can gather a significant quantity of acorns, you have the potential to earn substantial income. Additionally, you can expand your product line by offering various types of acorns, such as different oak tree species. With the ability to sell online, you can tap into a global market for acorns. People from all over the world might be interested in purchasing acorns for various purposes, expanding your potential customer base. Number 4. Selling in-game items for real money. Selling in-game items for real money is a lucrative side hustle that involves acquiring virtual items or currency within video games and then selling them to other players for actual money. This practice has gained popularity in the gaming community and presents a unique opportunity to earn income. These could be anything from weapons and armor to rare collectibles or virtual currency like gold or skins. You should have a keen understanding of the game's market. Identify which in-game items are in high demand and have real-world value. This side hustle works anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection and access to the respective games. Gamers worldwide are potential customers. Selling in-game items allows you to turn your passion for gaming into a profitable venture. It's a way to capitalize on something you enjoy doing. Number 5. Buying broken smartphones and selling individual parts. This side hustle involves acquiring broken or non-functional smartphones and then disassembling them to sell their functional individual parts. It's a way to turn what seems like useless or discarded technology into a profitable venture. Once you acquire a broken smartphone, you disassemble it. However, many other components, like the motherboard, camera, battery, and buttons, are still in working condition. Each part can be sold separately, which allows you to maximize your profits. Popular parts to sell include screens, batteries, camera modules, and logic boards. Research the market to determine the fair price for each component. Depending on the phone's make and model, you can potentially earn a significant profit, as smartphone parts can be quite valuable. Properly photograph and list your parts with detailed descriptions to attract potential buyers. You're contributing to sustainability efforts by recycling electronic waste. Number 6. Reselling products purchased at a lower price from platforms like AliExpress. Reselling products purchased at a lower price from platforms like AliExpress is a business model that involves sourcing products from wholesale or foreign marketplaces, such as AliExpress, and then reselling them at a higher price in your local market or on e-commerce platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. This side hustle operates on the principle of arbitrage, where you profit from the price difference between what you pay for the product and what you can sell it for. Research on AliExpress and other wholesale platforms to find products at a significantly lower price than what they are typically sold for in your local market. Whether you're diving into user-generated content, reselling products, or exploring other unconventional ventures, the potential to earn money a day or more is within reach. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now. Subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button for more tips on personal finance. Check the link below for the playlist on this topics. There are more information you would not want to miss. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.